Chapter 2. Navigating Windows 11. Tech Surf. In this chapter we will learn Windows 11. Sign in to Windows 11 PC, components of Windows 11, settings, shut down Windows 11. In a world where people are increasingly using PCs in their day-to-day lives, Microsoft has introduced a modern version of the Windows user experience that's simple to use, beautifully designed, and well-connected. The fresh OS designed from the ground up for working from home, while also catering to a new generation of people who have and are still growing up with smartphones and tablets as their primary computer. Windows is a collection of programs known as an operating system, OS, that controls a personal computer, PC. The first Windows launched in 1985 was Windows 1.0. Later many versions were released such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 11. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Microsoft has officially released Windows 11 to the public on 5 October 2021 as a free upgrade via Windows Update and Windows 11 Installation Assistant on eligible devices running Windows 10. The new operating system comes with a completely new and fresh interface, new apps and features, and some functionality changes. Key features of Windows 11. Windows has always been about helping us work the way we want, by offering flexibility. Instead of being anchored to the left side of the screen as it was in Windows 10, Windows 11 hovers just above the bottom center of the screen. Mac-like interface. Windows 11 features a clean design with rounded corners, pastel shades and a centered start menu and taskbar. Tech Insights. The deleted files or folders sent to the recycle bin can be restored later. The recycle bin can be opened by clicking on its icon on the desktop. Integrated Android apps. Android apps will be coming to Windows 11 via the Amazon App Store, which will be accessible from within the updated Microsoft Store. Widgets. Widgets are small windows that display dynamic info on desktop. We can now access widgets directly from the taskbar and personalize them to reflect our interests and the way we work. Gaming. Game mode is a special mode within Windows 11. HDR is supported on compatible machines, offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Direct storage is also here, with the main game assets able to be downloaded and installed, enabling us to play our games even faster than before. With the Xbox app, we can sync our Xbox gaming credentials to our PC, create groups and chat with friends, listen to music, tweak avatars, and track achievements. With the Game Bar utility, we can capture funny screenshots and epic videos as well as monitor PC system performance. Better virtual desktop support. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school or gaming use. We can also change our wallpaper on each virtual desktop. Better multitasking. As part of the multitasking improvements, Windows 11 brings changes to Snap Assist with Snap Groups. It has a feature called Snap Layout. This feature provides a new option for organizing open windows. We can split the screen into multiple sections so we can open 4 or 6 windows simultaneously. They also let us plug and unplug from a monitor more easily without losing where our open windows are located. Though we've already been multitasking in Windows 10 with the ability to snap windows to various places on our screen, Windows 11 takes that feature to the next level. Once we have all the programs open, pull one to the front of the screen and hover the mouse over the Maximize button. We'll then see different ways to tile and snap our open windows. We can tile to windows side by side at an even length, side by side with one side bigger, straight down the middle in a vertical column, straight down the middle with the middle one being bigger and more. We even can group the windows in a 4-square grid. Just click on one program. Here, I chose third option, which has launched my 3 running apps on the desktop from preview I snapped. Windows will suggest ways to tile the other programs in to fill the snap layout shortly after. We can then keep working with our open windows neatly. Tech Insights: Microsoft has boosted security in Windows 11 by requiring hardware that enables protections such as device encryption. Sign in to Windows 11 PC. When we turn our PC on, we will see the date, time and day. When we click on it, we will see a login screen with our PC's name and our photo. Log in using the correct credentials and click on the arrow right next to it. Once we are logged in, we will land on the desktop. This is where we can start exploring our PC, open various files and folders, launch apps, etc. Windows 11 has an all-new Start menu which has the Windows 11 logo as its icon. Components of Windows 11. Windows 11 has a new taskbar that is centered at the bottom of the main home screen in the user interface. There are few default icons on the taskbar which are useful to the user. They are Start, Search, Task View, Widgets, Microsoft Teams, File Explorer, Mail, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Wikipedia. Desktop screen. Icons. Start button. Search button. Task view. Notification area. Time and date. Widgets. Microsoft Teams. File Explorer. Mail. Microsoft Store. Microsoft Edge. Google Chrome. Wikipedia. Tech Insights. To adjust the advanced gesture controls, we can customize the 3-finger and 4-finger gesture as per our needs. Open the settings and move to Bluetooth and devices, touchpad, advanced gestures. Start button. The Windows 11 Start menu is the first icon or button in the new Windows 11 taskbar. When we click on the Windows 11 Start button, it opens up a Start menu with a group of icons that include Microsoft Edge, Mail, Calendar, Microsoft Store, Photos, Settings, Office, Xbox, and many more. Search button. The Windows 11 search function is located in the Windows 11 taskbar. When we click on the Windows 11 search button, a magnifying glass, a rectangular pane pops up with a search button at the top that allows us to search the files, folders, apps, etc. located on our PC. We can also click on the More menu to find the apps as shown in the picture alongside. The Windows 11 search function seems to be cleaner in Windows 11 and allows us to find what we are looking for in a faster and more efficient manner. Tech Insights. The Microsoft Store enables users to purchase hardware such as PCs, Surface products, and Xbox consoles, or download software and digital content, including apps, games, movies and TV shows. Task View. The Windows 11 Task View functionality allows the user to switch between multiple Windows 11 desktop views. Widgets. Windows 11 widgets, a new personalized feed powered by AI, are located as an icon in the Windows 11 taskbar. Each widget shows changing information such as stock price, weather, sports and top stories. These widgets are scrollable. Depending on the Windows 11 widgets we have, we can scroll vertically to see more. The latest version of the Windows 11 OS replaces the widget icon with a weather widget in the left corner. Microsoft Teams. Windows 11 was finalized during the COVID pandemic, which changed the way we work and live, with video conferencing and chat increasing as in-person meetings decreased. In Windows 11, Microsoft doubles down on the bet that chat and video meetings will remain an important part of people's work and private life, even when life becomes more normal. So, it put a Chat with Microsoft Teams feature on the taskbar. Click the icon, and a Teams screen opens up with our contacts on them. Scroll and search through contacts. Click the person with whom we want to connect, and a Teams chat and video conferencing window opens, requesting to connect. The shortcut key to use the feature is Windows key plus C. File Explorer. Windows 11 File Explorer opens up the File Explorer user interface. It helps us to get the files quickly and easily. It has a new, streamlined context menu, making it easier to get popular commands. To check it out, press Windows key plus C on the keyboard. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is the next icon to File Explorer in the Windows 11 taskbar. Clicking on this icon will open up a Microsoft Edge browser window. In the browser URL window, we can enter the URL of the website we want to visit. Settings. Settings is where we can make changes to the configuration of the Windows 11 operating system. There are a few icons on the taskbar by default that can't be removed using the unpin function. Apart from Start menu, we can remove the other icons using the taskbar settings. Right-click on the taskbar and then click on the taskbar settings option. Here at the top, we'll see all the taskbar default items with a toggle button next to them. We can toggle off the items that we don't want to see on the taskbar and they will be removed. Or, to get to Windows 11 settings, the fastest way is by clicking on the first icon in the taskbar, the Start menu. Once we click on it, we are presented with the settings screen. Tech Insights. There is a list of shortcuts to jump to a certain icon size. We can press any of these shortcuts mentioned aside while we are on the desktop and it will immediately change the icon size. Icons. Keyboard shortcuts. Extra large icons, Ctrl plus Shift plus 1, large icons, Ctrl plus Shift plus 2, medium icons, Ctrl plus Shift plus 3, small icons, Ctrl plus Shift plus 4. Shut down Windows 11. Follow the steps to shut down Windows 11. Step 1. To shut down the PC, launch the Start menu. We will see a power button on the bottom right corner. Step to click on power button and we will get the options to sleep, shut down or restart. Alternatively, we can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4 to shut down our PC. The following screen will appear. Click on the down arrow. A list of various options will appear. Step 3. Click on Shutdown. The system will shut down in a few minutes. Tech Insights. Windows 11 comes with 6 default themes with different wallpapers and settings, including Windows Light, Windows Dark, Glow, Sunrise and Flow. Data Vault. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school or gaming use. There are few default icons on the taskbar are useful to the Windows user. They are Start, Search, Task View, Widgets, Microsoft Teams, File Explorer, Mail, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Wikipedia. In the browser URL window, we can enter the URL of the website we want to visit. We can toggle off the items that we don't want to see on the taskbar and they will be removed. Settings is where we can make changes to the configuration of the Windows 11 operating system. Tech Bytes, operating system, software that manages computer hardware, software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Successor, next in line. Video conferencing, an online technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location together. Toggling, to switch between two different options, states or activities.